So this is the tool that we are going to use today. Allen keys, flat screwdriver, vice grip with the flat tip, and the 12mm socket. You can use a ratchet. In my case, I have electric tool, so it's faster. Here it is. Sayato, very good customer service. I wrote to them and explained the situation. They quickly shipped me the missing brake pad. So great service. So we will now open this. They have a nice grippy feeling. So here is the old one. If you will see, but they are pretty at the end of their life. Maybe they have about 1/4 life resting. So now we will remove this 12mm. Remove the 12mm. Then remove this Allen key bolt. Very tight. And no trick. Finally, make sure there is enough grease. In this case, there is not enough. We'll remove the old grease. And put new one. You can now remove the caliper. There is a small flat screwdriver, plastic screw you need to remove. Take a flat screwdriver and remove the little Allen key under the flat. Okay, here they are, the new versus the old. We'll take off the old damper plates and stick it on the new pads. There is just little clips. Here it is. Here's a thing you can do to can take a vice grip like this to make the piston caliper go back in like this. You will not be able to put your brake pads into the disc otherwise. Don't forget to put back this little plastic screw over the Allen key. This is just a cap to prevent water and dirt to come in. Put the caliper back and make sure to push the pads like this. Don't forget to put a little of grease or lube under the seal to prevent the rust. The 12mm again. Okay, now make sure again the brake pads are in the good spot so they are not moving. And before we finish, don't forget to a few pressure on the rear brakes so that the fluid will push the caliper piston. We just quicken the caliper with the vise. So there, this is good. Everything is working as it should. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe. And if you want to see my front brakes episode, that will be in the link in the description. Thank you again for watching and have a nice day.